Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a black hat method to do Facebook affiliate marketing. Well, actually this is a semi-black hat method. And I know what you are thinking, well, Facebook doesn't work anymore. Well, actually it does. You can still make good money with Facebook affiliate marketing. And in this method, we will combine automatic and manual work, but it is 100% free. So literally only thing that you need to invest is time and work, and you can start making money with Facebook affiliate marketing. Okay guys, we are actually going to use Facebook groups. Facebook groups are amazing because you can create a relationship with your group members. And plus, Facebook groups quite often have better reach than Facebook fan pages. Now, this is one of my Facebook groups, and here you can see I have 1,100 members. And when I scroll here and when I click, for example, on membership, here you can see some of the members, and here you can see some age and gender and other details and other informations and demographics about my Facebook group. So what we need to do, we need to actually exploit the Facebook groups in order to start making money with Facebook affiliate marketing. And you can also use it to promote your blog, your website, to build your mailing list, to promote your affiliate products, your own products, and so on and so on. Because like I said, Facebook groups still give good results. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google and you need to search for Phantom Booster extension, okay? And you actually need to use this on Google Chrome, okay? That is really important. And then you need to click here on Phantom Booster. And you need to install this extension on your Google Chrome. Just click here. As you can see, I already did that. And it is 100% free, so you will not pay anything for this extension. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on Phantom Booster website. Here you can see how this actually looks. So what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on Start Free Trial. Registration is really simple, and here you can see start your 14-day free trial. Now, they have actually a free plan. On free plan, after these 14 days, you will have only one slot available. That is the difference. If you are on paid plan, then you will have more slots available. But like I said, even after these 14 days, you will still be able to use this software totally free, but you will have only one slot available. Now, after you do that, you will come to your dashboard. Now, this is how your Phantom Booster will look. So what you need to do, you need to click here, hover over Solutions, and then you need to click here on All Solutions. And here you can see all the available tools that you can use to make money with Facebook affiliate marketing, with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and so on and so on. But what we actually need to do, we need to click here on the left side on Facebook, okay? And what we need to do, we need to click here on Facebook group membership export, okay? Just click here on use this Phantom. And here what you need to do, now if you installed Phantom Booster extension on your Google Chrome, all you have to do is just click here, connect to Facebook. Now it is really important for you to be logged in to your Facebook account. Otherwise, this won't work. Also, really important thing is please create a new Facebook profile for this. Do not use your personal profile. That is really important. Create a new profile, Facebook profile for this. Okay? So next thing you need to do, you need to click here on Save. Okay? And here we actually need to give the URL of the Facebook group from which we actually wish to export these members. Now, let's just say I wish to export members from this group here, affiliate marketing, because we are talking about Facebook affiliate marketing. So all I have to do is just copy the URL of this Facebook group, go back on Phantom Booster, and I need to paste the URL of that group. Now, you can export members from just one group, or you can use Google Spreadsheets or CSV files to export members from multiple groups at once, okay? But for now, I'm going to export members only from one group because it is much easier, okay? Just click here on Save, and now here you need to say how many members you wish to export at each session, okay? Here you can see they recommend between 4,000 and 5,000 at once. Now, my personal recommendation is do not export more than 500 members at once, okay? Now here I will just say 10 so I can make this process as fast as possible. Like I said, you shouldn't export more than 500 even though they recommend 4,000 to 5,000, okay? So what you need to do next is Number of groups, just leave it empty because I use just one group. I wish to export members just from one group, so I will leave it empty, okay? Otherwise, you can say, I wish, if you added CSV file or Google spreadsheet, you can say, I wish to export members from 5 groups, 2 groups, 10 groups, right? So, like I said, because I'm using just one group, all I have to do, I will just click here on save. And now here you need to choose some settings. Now, do you wish to use it manually or repeatedly? If you choose repeatedly, I recommend to use once per day. As you can see here, once per day. But I usually use it manually. So I will click here on manually. Notifications, just leave it as none. You can use one of these, but I left it on none. Now, advanced settings, okay? Now, you need to use a proxy. You can use Phantom Booster proxy, but it is better if you use your own proxy. Like I said, you can use Phantom Booster, and for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Phantom Booster. So just click here on Phantom Booster, and all the other things, you don't need to do anything else. Just click here on Save. Give it a second, and all you have to do now is just click here on Launch, and Phantom Booster will start exporting members from this Facebook group that we found here. Now, depending on how many members you actually wish to export, this can take from just a few seconds all the way to a few minutes. If you wish to export 4,000 or 5,000, then this may take even a half an hour. Now, here you can see they extracted all 10 members. Now, here you can see these members, here you can see their profiles and stuff like that. Now, here, when you click here on more, here you can copy this, or you can download CSV file, or you can copy and add this to Google Spreadsheet. Like as we saw, you can add Google Spreadsheets on Phantom Booster. Now, what you can do with these members, you can actually find these people on LinkedIn. And you can also start opening these profiles one by one, and you can start sending friend requests to all of these people. Now, you can do this manually, but it is easier doing it this way, okay? And you can start sending friend requests to all of these people. Now, it is really important for you to know that you shouldn't send more than 10 friend requests per hour. Otherwise, you will most likely be banned on Facebook. So send just 10 requests, friend requests per hour, and also do not send them immediately. Send 2 or 3 and then wait 10 to 15 minutes and then send again 2 or 3 and then again pause and then send 2 or 3 and so on and so on. And you can send, for example, 50 or 60 friend requests per day. And after you add all of these people, you can start building your Facebook group. Now, many people have problems with how do I actually grow my Facebook group? Facebook groups are great, but I don't know how to grow them. Well, when you go back on your Facebook group, this is my Facebook group, and when you click here on invite, you can invite people via email. Now, there are some hackers tools that you can use to export Facebook emails, but I wouldn't recommend that because it is against the law. Also, what you can do is you can invite Facebook friends. Like I said, you can add all of these people here to your friends on your new Facebook profile. Like I said, you should create a new Facebook profile and send friend request to all of these people here. And then you can simply invite all of those people, and most of those people will actually accept your invitation because this group is in their niche. They are obviously interested in affiliate marketing, in Facebook affiliate marketing, making money online. So they are interested and they will actually join to see what is going on in that group. And all you have to do is just provide value in that group and people will start joining. They will start making posts. They will start engaging and so on and so on. As you can see, there are other people who are making posts in my group. I'm not the only one. And people will start joining, they will start engaging. And what you can do is you can simply click here, for example, and you can pin that post as a top post. So everybody who actually visit your group, first thing they will see will be your post, and you can use that post to promote your affiliate product and to make money. Now imagine, some of these groups, they have 50, 100,000, 200,000 members. Imagine how much traffic those groups are getting and how much money you can make by promoting your own products, your affiliate products, your blog, your website, building your mailing list, and so on and so on. Like I said, you can still make good money with Facebook groups and Facebook affiliate marketing, totally free, even in 2023.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.